Alright, so I thought this was kind of a cool way to play this tune. So we're just playing kind of high up on the neck, just standard tuning, and we're going to start with a C major 7 chord. So you're going to set your index finger on the 8th fret of the low E. Your middle finger is going to set down here on the 8th fret of the B string. And then ring finger goes 9th fret of D, pinky 9th fret of G. And then you pluck with your thumb on the E. Index finger is going to pluck D, middle finger is going to pluck G, and ring finger is going to pluck B. So you pluck all those simultaneously. Alright. Then we're going to go to a B7 chord. Now when I was playing it, I was actually kind of playing it, adding a finger that you don't really need. That just makes it a B7, a standard B7 bar chord shape. But you could actually just play it like this. So what you're going to do, you still got a bar though. So you're going to bar across the 7th fret. And then you're going to set your middle finger down here on the 8th fret of the G. So you're going to pluck again, thumb on E, index on D, middle on G, ring on B. Alright, so we just went from C major 7 to B7. Again, if you want to add that ring finger, you can. Ring finger 9th fret of A, but you're not plucking that. So you've got... Alright, then you're going to take that shape and you're going to hop it down. We're going to play an E minor 7. So now index can bar across 7th fret high E through A. Middle finger sets down 8th fret of B. Ring finger sets down 9th fret of D. So now thumb needs to come down to the A string, but index still has D, middle still has G, and ring finger still has B. Alright, so one more time. Alright, and now finally we're going to come way up here for a G major 7 chord. So your index finger is going to set down on the 10th fret of the A, ring finger 12th fret of the D, middle finger 11th fret of the G, pinky 12th fret of the B. So again, thumbs on A for this one. Alright, so all that together. Alright, so that's the intro, just 4 chords, 4 whole note chords. Then we get into so what I'm doing for that is you're playing that C major 7. You're going to pluck singularly the E, singularly the D, and then you're going to pluck the G and the B together, middle and ring. So same fingering as before. So you're going to go thumb, index, middle, ring, then you're going to do a percussive tap. I just kind of like tap my fingernails back down onto the strings. So you got... So right after that percussive tap, you're going to again pluck the lowest note, your thumb, with your thumb. So you're going. Then you pluck again the B and the G. All right. Now you're going to go to that B7 and you're going to do the exact same plucking pattern. Again, if you want to put that ring down, you can. Alright. Then we go to the E minor 7. We do the same thing, but remember thumb comes down to the A string now. Then we go up to the G major 7, and again, same thing. Thumb stays on the A string. So you put that all together. Alright, so I hope this lesson was helpful for you. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.